Alright everyone, so Gemma and I are going to do our own gummies. We got your classic gummy bears. Actually, we got the limited edition. We got blue ones, yellow ones, purple ones. Here's our cake mold. So I want to do the bear. I mean a monkey.
Monkey.
What would you do, baby?
Lion.
Lion. So I think we have enough. In case we have more or extra, we'll do the giraffe. So and we'll go from there. So what we're going to do is we picked our colors out. My monkey, I think, the top part I'll make blue. So we're going to melt our blue ones down first. We're going to use a microwave technique, so we'll see. Come on, baby. You got yours? Put them in the mic.
No, not yet. Hold on. Not yet. I need one more.
Alright, so we'll be right back. We are off to the microwave. So here we are. I doubt you... Well, I guess you can see a little bit in the microwave. So I put it on 50% power, 3 minutes. Well, 3.5 minutes. So let's see what happens. I want to stop it halfway through and give it a stir. Very hot.
Got a bubble.
Yours is bubbly. Mine's bubbly.
I'm pulling them in there.
In case anybody wants to see what they look like. Now we're doing ours like this because we want to do layers.
But I don't.
Well, I'll do mine like this because I want to do layers. Mine's
not enough.
very thick. Mine's too much.
Mine's not enough.
You want some of my blue? Mine cooled too quick already, so
Mine
needs
did
to go
too.
back into the
Mine
microwave.
needs to go back in the microwave.
So we're going back to the microwave.
Yeah, I need mine back in the...
And there's Gemma doing hers. I got my half blue in already, right above her, as you can see. Right there. I want to do a different color on top for I have two different colored gummies. So, alright, so we're back to the microwave again. Alright, now I'm adding a second color to my little monkey friend here. More microwave time. I'll tell you what, guys, if you're doing this with your kids, make sure you have enough gummies. I mean, you don't want to burn your gummy bears, but jeez, this stuff is. Gemma, wait for me in the microwave, babe. It's hot and it is a mess. So good luck washing the dishes. Maybe I'll do a separate video for you moms that have to wash dishes when you're done.
Or Dad.
And here goes Gemma some more, dumping more.
Because it wouldn't...
Stuff's hot. So far we made 5 trips to the microwave on 50% power. 2 minutes at a time. I'm not letting it run the full 2 minutes though because it already boils, but try not to burn it and at the same time get it warm enough where it doesn't get hard before we get back to the thing.
I don't even care.
Alright, so right now, just before you guys have an idea, this is 3 bags of gummies for these 2 molds. Alright everyone, so this is hopefully my last one. I only got a couple gummy bears in here, but I am doing this and it is going to be my last batch. I'll let Gemma have the rest of the gummy bears because her mold is bigger and she looks like she needs more gummy bears than me. So that is it for me. So hopefully it'll work out. Alright, so hopefully it's our last attempt. Very hot gummy. I'm not having fun, guys, to be honest with you.
I am. I'm not
cleaning up the bowls. That's the hard part. But otherwise, yes, this is a very fun project. It's just a matter of cleaning your bowls. So I would strongly recommend considering the bowls that you use beforehand that you may have to throw them away. We'll see.
It's not okay.
Alright everyone, so we just got done pouring our molds and now we transferred them to the freezer for a little bit. Because they still have the bubbles on top. So we will see in a couple minutes what it turns to. Meanwhile, I have to clean up that mess.
Yeah, I want to eat some of it.
Alright, so just to be honest with everybody, my root thought is I try to put water in the bowl and microwave it to clean it after the bunny gummies were in there. No go. So to me, again, this is trashed. Just a heads up. You know what? Scratch that. This is before, alright? After you're done melting your gummy bears, this is the kind of mess you get. I mean, look at the spoon. It's a mess. I could pick up this whole cup with this thing. It's bad. Rock hard, right? So, my idea was first to throw them away, but what I did was I filled it up with water, put it in the microwave for about 2.5 to 3 minutes until the water boiled. Let it sit for a minute, and then I just dumped it out, no scrubbing, and it came out almost perfectly clean. And now we're going to hope to gosh that they come right out the pan without ruining them.
I'm scared.
It looks like I might need something a little sharper. Jen, do you want to run and go get me a steak knife, baby?
Oh, what?
What? She said, what? A steak knife. So we'll see. I'm going to do my best and have my patience to get this out without scraping it. Alright, so there's Gemma's line. She kind of squished its face pulling it out, but that's a big gummy line. It's pretty solid and big. I think we should let them freeze just a little bit longer. So far it's been 15.
There's Gemma getting ready to bite her. Whoa, that is one super big gummy.
Alright, final product. Monkey gummy. Awesome. He should have froze a little bit longer. You can see how he kind of squished his face a little bit. Still awesome looking. Obviously he's a monkey. Whoop. That's it. Gemma, nice homemade gummies. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Later.